Hi guys, good evening,
Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Kinjal.
and I'm Dr. Chetan. Today we are going live to address some of the common questions that a lot of our patients have been asking us. Also, we will be telling you how we are spending time ourselves in this lockdown period. We are just waiting for some of the people to log in. As and when they come, please show a thumbs up or uh,
Yeah, give a like a hi or something in the
yeah.
comments so we know that you're here and then we can eventually begin. Anybody around here? I guess we'll just wait for a few minutes.
So let me tell you what Studio 32 is about. Studio 32 is a dental and facial aesthetics center. We are based out of Mumbai and Vile Parle. We specialize in dental and facial aesthetic treatments. Uh, we are Mumbai's premier dental and facial aesthetic center because we do a lot of treatments that are focused on changing the smiles, designing the smiles, not just dental but also facial treatments as well. We have
Okay,
got
I want to highlight something here. I'm sorry. We also want to highlight about how we are a pain-free clinic in terms of giving painless root canals, painless implant treatments to our patients, and we take pride in that because the patients' testimonials say it all. Go ahead.
awesome. We also specialize in dental implants. The newest technology in dental implants is 3D guided dental treatment surgeries, and we are the one of the very few clinics which is offering this kind of modern dental surgical
Correct.
treatments. So I think we have a couple of viewers here. Can you please give us a thumbs up if you are watching us live in the comment
Yeah, we
section?
could say a couple of hellos.
We can see Neepa is watching us.
Hi, Neepa.
Deepak, hi Deepak, how are you doing?
Okay, anyone else around here? Okay, guys, so let's come to what we have been doing to keep ourselves motivated, to keep ourselves positive during this period because it's extremely difficult for all of us to suddenly have a change of routine, to have a completely different life from what we were living before. So, a couple of things which I have started doing is I've started reading quite a bit. It's something which I used to love since my childhood. So, I read all kinds of books. It could be funny, it could be some stories, it could be something motivational. And I think that's what is really keeping me happy and going. The other thing which I've resorted to is art. Like, of course, I don't get time to do it, like, work on it every day. But maybe once a week, maybe a drawing here and there really keeps me happy. I think the other thing which I have been doing is meditating, and and trust me, it's I think made a huge difference. It just makes me so calm, so composed, and makes me really stay positive. And I think now Chetan will tell you about his hobbies or
So,
interests.
so this lockdown has been a kind of blessing because it has made the world even more smaller. It's possible now to connect with your families and friends with a click of a button. You can connect with your long lost friends who are staying like miles across on the other part of the world. Also, you can get connected with your friends, which with whom it was not possible for you to meet or talk to them very often. I remember last month we had this conference call with all our college and college
Yeah.
mates, and it was a great time that we had with catching up all the college memories. You can do the same things with your families. There are a lot of families that are going online and playing a lot of games to keep themselves occupied and keep themselves connected. Another thing that you can work on personally is to work on your profile, your online profile. Now, a
Yeah.
lot of people have started doing that. What you can do is basically update your Facebook profiles, your LinkedIn profiles, your Instagram accounts, update the conferences that you've attended, update the lectures that you've
Yeah.
attended, any skill that you've recently learned. Also, alternately, what you can do is take up a language, learn a new language. That can also increase the weightage to your profile. Another thing which that has been really helping me a lot is doing a bit of exercises. Staying fit in this duration is most important, because a healthy mind is something that can work with a healthy body. A little bit of stretching exercises, a bit of yoga, breathing exercises, a bit of stretching exercises. All these kind of small exercises can go a long way.
Yeah. One thing which I also want to add is, I think everyone has become so kind during this period. I mean, really, people are trying to help each other. So, a lot of classes are available online. It could be anything that you like, right? From dancing to maybe some vocabulary or anything. People are actually offering online classes. Guys, please go ahead and enroll for something so that you stay positive and motivated.
So we have almost 12 viewers here.
Yeah.
We will be starting soon. If you have any questions
Yeah.
regarding your dental problems or any other problems that you're facing during this lockdown, anything that you been doing in this lockdown, please feel free to share on the comment section. We will be just selecting few of them and reading aloud. But please do make sure that you are putting any of the dental problems that you're currently
Yeah.
facing in the current in the comment section. So let's start with
Yeah.
so we had sent out messages to our patients and lot of our followers on Facebook and Instagram, and we have received some of the most common questions. So we're just going to address them one after the other. So Kinjal, let's start
Yeah.
with for the first
Okay,
one.
so we've jotted them down and we are going to one by one just address each of them. So coming to the first one, the most important, I think, most common problem which I think everybody is facing is tooth sensitivity. Okay, people feel, I mean, I'm sure all of you know what it is like. They eat something hot or cold and suddenly there's a tingling sensation and just lasts for a few seconds. Guys, one of the most important causes, why this happens is because we are either brushing very hard or we are using the wrong kind of a toothbrush. So we are using either a very hard or a medium bristle brush. What I would really recommend to you during this period is switch over to a soft bristle brush, or you can alternately even use a electric brush. Okay, the whole idea is basically that the force of brushing on your teeth should be less. So brush gently, brush in circular motions. Do not rub your teeth horizontally or do not apply as much pressure as you have. That will actually increase your sensitivity. So change your toothbrush. Don't brush very hard. You can use anti-sensitivity toothpaste. You can call us for any brand names because we'll be able to suggest what is best for you based on your conditions. Please do not self-medicate, right?
Superb. So that I think should be quite helpful. There's one small disclaimer that I would like to
Yeah.
give before we start addressing the further questions, is that we're not going to recommend you any of the medicines that you should be taking, medicines that will relieve you of pain, because that is
Sorry, there was a little bit of a disturbance. Sorry about that.
so we're not going to, as I said again, there will be a disclaimer that we're not
Yeah.
going to give out any medications that you should be buying it over the counter.
Yeah.
That's because we do not recommend that. You need to have a prescription. You need to see a doctor before you take up any medicines. So we would recommend that if you have certain problems that requires you to take medications, please do contact us and we'll be able to help you better.
Okay.
राइट लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मुझे बहुत सारे लोग फ़ोन करके और मैसेज करके ये बोल रहे हैं कि जब वो ब्रश करते हैं तब उनके मसूड़ों में से या दांतों से खून निकलता है, स्पेशली व्हेन दे आर ब्रशिंग एंड दे स्पिट आउट, दे सी अ ब्लड कमिंग आउट व्हेन दे स्पिट इट आउट इन द बेसिन. It's a very common problem, guys. There is absolutely nothing to worry. अभी हमको इसमें ये देखना है कि आपको ये ब्लीडिंग कब हो रही है. हाउ ऑफन आर यू गेटिंग दिस ब्लीडिंग? इफ दिस ब्लीडिंग इज ऑकरिंग, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल वंस इन अ वाइल, देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नथिंग फॉर यू टू वरी. अगर ये ब्लीडिंग एक या दो बार एक आध बार होती है तो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. ये क्यों हो रही है? क्योंकि शायद से आप जब ब्रश कर रहे हो तभी आपका ब्रशिंग फोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, या फिर जो आप ब्रश इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो उसके ब्रिसल्स बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड है. सो इस वजह से ये ब्लीडिंग वंस इन अ वाइल हो सकती है. अगर ये ब्लीडिंग लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 4 या 5 दिन कंटिन्यूसली आपको हो रही है वेन एवर यू ब्रश, देर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट दिस इज कॉज ड्यू टू स्वोलन गम्स. या जैसे मसूड़ों में सूजन जिसे हम कहते हैं, या जिंजवाइटिस जिसे हम कहते हैं, ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि इम्प्रॉपर ब्रशिंग टेक्निक, यानी कि आपकी ब्रशिंग टेक्निक सही नहीं हो, या आपका ब्रश जो है वो सही तरीके से आप नहीं इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो। उस वजह से क्या होता है कि ये जो खाना जो है आपके मसूड़े में फंस जाता है, एंड इट गेट्स कन्वर्टेड टू अ वेरी हार्ड सब्सटेंस विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज प्लाक और टाटर। इसे निकालना ब्रश से नामुमकिन होता है। अभी ये प्लाक या टाटर जिसे हम कहते हैं, ये मसूड़ों को इरिटेट करता है, इट इरिटेट्स द गम्स, एंड विच इज़ वाई द गम्स गेट स्वॉलन अप। नाउ एवरी टाइम यू ब्रश द गम्स गेट हर्ट, उनको जख्म होती है, उसकी वजह से ये ब्लीडिंग शुरू होती है। इसको ट्रीट करना इट्स वेरी सिंपल। द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू डू इज चेंज योर टूथब्रश। आपको आपका ब्रश चेंज करना है। यू हैव टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग अ सॉफ्ट ब्रिसल ब्रश। A medium bristle brush would also do, but I would highly recommend to move on to a soft bristle brush. Also, जब आप ब्रश कर रहे हो आपको हल्के हाथ से ब्रश करना है। ऑल्टरनेटली अगर आपको मसूड़े में हल्का सा दर्द महसूस हो रहा है तो आप माउथ वॉश का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। माउथ वॉश आपको प्रेफरेबली यूज़ इट बिफोर यू गो टू बेड। सोने से पहले रात को एक बार आप माउथ वॉश करेंगे तो बेहतर रहेगा। लेकिन एक बात आपको ध्यान रखनी है कि ब्रशिंग आपको बंद नहीं करना है। यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू ब्रशिंग इरिस्पेक्टिव वेदर द गम्स आर ब्लीडिंग और नॉट। ऑल्टरनेटिव व्हाट यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इज फ्लॉस बिटवीन द टीथ। फ्लॉसिंग भी करना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि फ्लॉसिंग से जो दांतों के बीच में जो फूड अटका हुआ है, जो द फूड विच इज स्टक बिटवीन द टीथ कैन कम आउट वेरी इजीली। अल्टीमेटली अगर आपके पास माउथ वॉश नहीं है घर पे और मसूड़े में बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है तो आप हल्के गुलगुले पानी में यानी वार्म वाटर में आप 2 या 3 पिंच सॉल्ट डाल के, नमक डाल के उसको आप गार्गल कर सकते हैं। ये आप दिन में 2 या 3 बार कर सकते हैं जिसके आपके मसूड़ों को राहत मिल सकती है। अगर आपकी ब्लीडिंग 6 या 7 दिन से ज़्यादा कंटिन्यू कांस्टेंट ब्लीडिंग होती है, इफ़ द ब्लीडिंग कंटिन्यूज मोर देन 5 to 6 times a day, it is a urgent situation and you need to contact us immediately. Right, let's move on to the next question.
Yeah, so another problem which people are speaking about is toothache, right? You got
Yes,
a lot of
yes,
calls
yeah,
saying
absolutely.
lot of people have toothache, कुछ ना कुछ reason की वजह से. So I think Chetan,
Yes.
please tell us the
So
solution for it.
there are only 2 reasons जिसके वजह से आपको दांतों में दर्द हो सकता है। एक तो कैविटी या फिर डीके जिसे हम कहते हैं उसकी शुरुआत हो चुकी है, और वो जो सडन या डीके जो है वो आपके दांत के नस तक पहुंच चुका है। ये एक सबसे कॉमन कॉज है टूथेक होने का। दूसरा कॉमन कॉज है शायद आपकी अक्कल दाढ़ या जिसे हम थर्ड मोलर कहते हैं वो आपका बाहर आ रहा है या इरप्ट हो रहा है। ये सेकंड कॉज है आपको टूथेक होने का। अगर आपको टूथ में कैविटी है या डीके है जिसके वजह से आपको ये पेन हो रहा है तो उसको आपको ज़रूरी है कि वो एरिया को आप क्लीन रखें। इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू कीप दैट कैविटी एरिया टूथ एब्सोल्युटली क्लीन, बिकॉज द मोमेंट द फूड गेट स्टक देयर इट विल इरिटेट योर टूथ एंड द पेन विल स्टार्ट अगेन। सो ये ज़रूरी है कि आप वो एरिया को अच्छी तरह से क्लीन रखें। अगर आपका टूथ एकदम जॉ के कॉर्नर से आ रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि शायद आपका थर्ड मोलर या विजडम टूथ बाहर आ रहा है, यानी कि अक्कल दाढ़ आपकी बाहर आ रही है। उस वजह से जो पेन होता है वो आपके कान के पीछे, सर के ऊपर और गर्दन के पीछे तक चला जाता है और उसकी इंटेंसिटी बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होती है। देयर इज एन इंटेंस अमाउंट ऑफ पेन दैट यू विल एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन द थर्ड मोलर इज कमिंग आउट। नाउ द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर पेन विद थर्ड मोलर इज जस्ट मेडिकेशंस, यू हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच। जब आपकी अक्कल दाढ़ बाहर आती है और जब आपको दर्द होता है उसके लिए आपको रुकना ही पड़ता है। यू हैव टू वेट टिल द पेन सबसाइड्स कंप्लीटली। पेन दैट इज एसोसिएटेड विद कैविटी कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड विद मेडिकेशंस। अगर आपको पेन है और स्वेलिंग भी है देन वी हाईली रिकमेंड दैट यू कॉन्टैक्ट अस इमीडिएटली बिकॉज वी नीड टू अंडरटेक सर्टन ट्रीटमेंट्स टू रिलीव यू ऑफ द पेन. There are certain medications that you can take, but as we said in the disclaimer, we will not be prescribing you medication in this live session. Please contact us immediately and we can help you with the medications that you could be taking up. Let's move on to the next question.
Okay, just a minute. There are a couple of new members who have just joined this live. I would like to say hello to them, and I just want to say that if you all have any questions, please go ahead and put it in the comment section so that we can address them as and when they come. And guys, whoever has written questions, we've made a note of it. So we will definitely address them as and when they come. All right. Okay. So now my next question, the next question which I've come across is that people are complaining that the bridge has come off or the cap has come off or their filling has come off. Okay. So now what do you do? if your cap or your bridge has come off, the first thing to do is take it, like find it wherever it is, take it, wash it under running water just with your fingers, just clean it. Do not scrub it with anything, just wash it with water, put it in a box or a ziploc and just keep it somewhere safely. We will stick it back for you once everything resumes and once things are normal. What will you do about the teeth which are there in your mouth? The most important thing is, again, just keep it clean. It will not hurt, it will not trouble you. The only thing is just keep it clean so that it doesn't get decayed, right? And just keep the cap carefully so that when you come back to us, we can stick it back nicely for you. Now, if your filling has come out, what are you going to do? Now, if your filling has come off, you are definitely going to get sensitivity over there. Again, honestly, there is nothing much until unless you come back to clinic and we also get back to work. But till then, you can use an anti-sensitivity toothpaste. We will recommend the one which is best for you based on your conditions. So the only way out right now is to please use an anti-sensitivity toothpaste, right? So now, okay, yeah, another question which people have been asking me, especially the ones who are wearing braces, they're really having this issue. They're like, okay, appointments are not happening, like what do we do? When will the next appointment happen? Guys, so first of all, let me assure you that, your braces treatment won't go wrong or bad if there is a couple of months of delay, right? We have been careful even during this period of your treatment where, whatever was going on has been carefully monitored so far. If you are wearing metallic or ceramic braces, that is the ones which have wires on them, my opinion is that you just use an orthodontic brush which has been recommended to you already by us, and just after every meal clean in between those wires so that you don't get any new decays in your teeth, right? So that will be really helpful for you guys, and keep rinsing with mouthwash or with warm salt water. That will be helpful. For those patients who are wearing aligners, which are those transparent braces which do not have wires at all, now what are you going to do? Because your aligners are either still getting made or you are on the last aligner that you have received. My recommendation is that please keep wearing whatever you have carefully with you. Do not eat or drink anything with the aligner in your mouth. So remove that aligner, remove that, keep it aside when you're eating or drinking anything, and after that, like after you've finished eating, wear it. Clean the aligner at least twice a day with just water, mouthwash. So, that'll be really useful for you guys, and that aligner will last you longer. We just have to pull through these times and then we'll be back with a bang.
Okay, a lot of members are messaging us that you're not able to hear us loud enough. Is it audible enough now? Can you please show a thumbs up if you are loud enough? Can you hear us properly now? Can we see a thumbs up or a wave?
Yes or anything?
If it is loud enough now. Tanvi, if you are watching us, Gunjan, if you are watching us.
Yeah, can you give us a thumbs up? I don't know.
Great. So I think we should move on to the next question. I think this question has been very commonly asked to us, and I think Jackie Shah has also asked us this question. The question is, what if you get jaw pain? Now, as I said earlier, the jaw pain could be coming because of the third molar that is erupting, if especially the jaw is aching at the corner. जैसे मैंने कहा कि जॉ पेन जो है वो थर्ड मोलर यानी कि अक्कल दांत जब बाहर आती है तभी वो पेन हो सकता है. जॉ पेन होने के और भी कोई रीजंस हो सकते हैं. स्पेसिफिकली अगर आपको ये दर्द अगर आप मुंह खोलते हो या बंद करते हो तभी होता है, तो ये रीज़न हो सकता है कि ये पेन आपके जॉ के जॉइंट से आ रहा हो. दिस पेन इज़ कॉज्ड मोस्टली बिकॉज जो मसल्स होते हैं जो हमारे जॉ को सपोर्ट करते हैं उनमें जकड़न आ जाती है या स्प्रेन जिसे हम कहते हैं इन कॉमन टर्म्स. इफ़ योर मसल गेट्स पुल्ड और इट गेट्स स्प्रेन्ड, a similar kind of pain can be experienced. Now this pain will last for 4 to 5 days. Now जैसे आपके पैर में मोच आ जाती है, बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस रीजन प्रेशर ज़्यादा आता है, उसी तरह का पेन, सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ पेन इज एक्सपीरियंस इन द जॉ एज वेल बिकॉज ऑफ द मसल पुल इन द मसल्स दैट सपोर्ट द जॉ. इसका रीज़न प्रॉबली आपने जब खाना खाते वक्त कुछ ज़ोर से प्रेशर दिया हो, या यौन यानी कि जब आप यौन करते हो तभी आप मुंह बड़ा खोलते हैं, उस वजह से मसल में पुल आ जाता है, या फिर काफ़ी बार जब हम सोते हैं तो दांत हम चबाते हैं, टीथ ग्राइंडिंग के वजह से भी मसल्स में प्रेशर आ जाता है, स्प्रेन आ सकता है और इस वजह से जॉ में पेन हो सकता है. इसका ट्रीटमेंट जो है, अगर आपको ये जॉ पेन ज़्यादा बेरेबल है, अगर आप इस पेन को आप बेयर कर सकते हो, तो व्हाट वी रेकमेंड इज यू कैन अप्लाई कोल्ड पैक्स ऑन टू दैट एरिया. अगर आपको स्वेलिंग नहीं है तो उस एरिया में आप गर्म सेक भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अप्लाई हॉट प्रेशर एरियाज इन दैट रीजन. Alternately, avoid eating anything that is too hard or too tough to chew onto. कड़क या कोई भी चबाने जैसे जिसमें ज़्यादा प्रेशर लगता हो वो चीज़ें अवॉइड करिए. ऑल्सो वॉट यू कैन डू इज़ ट्राई टू गिव योर जॉज एज मच रेस्ट एज पॉसिबल. जितना आप उसको आराम देंगे उतने जल्दी ये मसल्स नॉर्मल हो जाएंगे और पेन आपका कम हो सकता है. इन केस द पेन एक्सटेंड्स बियॉन्ड 7 to 8 days, प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट अस इमीडिएटली. विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू.
Okay. All right.
Great.
So great. Another one of the questions which we have got really often is mouth ulcers, जिसे हम मुंह में छाले पड़ना बोलते हैं. So when we talk about that issue, problem क्या होता है that you have got a boil or an ulcer in the mouth and it really hurts you when you're eating or drinking anything. Now the most common feature of these ulcers is that they will last for 5 to 7 days and then subside on their own. But these 5 to 7 days can be quite painful or unpleasant for you. So how are you going to take care of it? First of all, there are a couple of gels which you can apply. Apply these gels before you start your meal, say about 10 to 15 minutes before you start eating. Your pain will reduce and you will be able to eat your food better with lesser pain. So the first thing that you can do is apply the gel. The next thing which you should do is improve your diet, because a lot of times these ulcers are caused because of say you've not been eating well, you've not been eating your vitamins well. So eat nutritious food like fruits, nuts, green vegetables. Include that in your diet. Also, if you have not been sleeping well or resting well, that can also lead to stress or indigestion. So what you can do is maintain a proper schedule, a timetable when you will eat at a regular time. That will really help you improve or maintain your digestion, and that will help you treat these ulcers as well. Drink lots of water, guys. It's already very hot, and these ulcers really will the water will improve your digestion, will improve your overall body circadian rhythm. So just go by that. So apply the gels, eat less spicy or hot food, include healthy food in your diet, and drink lots of water. So these are my recommendations to you for your mouth ulcers, right?
Great. Is there, if there are any other questions that we have not been able to address, please go ahead and write it in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to address them right away. We have Tanvi here. Hi Tanvi, thanks for watching us. Jackie, thank you for joining us. Kunjal is here.
Kunjal.
Hi Kunjal.
Hello, so good to see you here.
We have almost 20 visitors here. Just one.
Yeah, I think thank you guys for being here. I think we have addressed the problems that we have so far, whatever has been messaged to us or communicated to us. Please feel free to call us, message us at any time, so that, and please don't self-medicate. The most important thing is that, and we'll be more than happy to address your issues at any point of time. Thank you and keep smiling.
Thank you guys. Thanks for joining us. Have a good day. Bye bye.